So while you're bored and guys, you gotta be looking good, right? So I'm gonna try some hydro dip nails, guys. I'm gonna do these two nails hydro dip and this nail too. And I got my fingers cornered off with tape so the nail polish doesn't get everywhere. You guys are gonna want, of course, your little bowl of water and let the magic begin. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get some of the nail polish and start my little hydro dipping thing. You guys have probably seen this video all over YouTube, so won't explain it too crazy, but you put a drip and then you go ahead and you grab your other color you want to do and you just go ahead and do another drip. So I'm gonna go ahead, do another dot, let it go ahead and expand a little bit, and then we're gonna go ahead and do the same thing and repeat the process. I'm just gonna take my toothpick and let my pattern grow and do its thing. Then you guys are just gonna go ahead and take your finger and put it into the pattern. And then you do want the excess water around it to go away. So I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of the excess nail polish, scoop all of that off, make sure every angle of my nail is covered, and ta-da! We got our first hydro dip nail. Right now I'm just going to take the tape off, get rid of all this tape around the nail. Gotta get rid of all that nail polish, but ta-da! We got our first hydro dip nail. Not really the best. I've done better yesterday, and I need to try to do better. So these are how my nails turned out, guys. I did a little bit of that marble detailing. Sorry my phone's a little funky in the focusing. I hope Samsung has a software update for the new Samsung phones, but did a little bit of nail art. Everyone's been raving about these drinks, guys, and this new TikTok I follow, he does so many sponsorships with this brand, so gonna try this out today. I tried the unicorn one, guys, and it was alright. It wasn't really the best.